Hello traders again, this is Gaetano from Profit Scenario. Today I'd like to share some details of my Forex trade setup with you. So stay with me and let's get started. Let's see my Forex setup. If you happen to visit my website, it's www.mt4trademanager.com.au and you go to the download section, you'll find my trading scripts that I use for live trading. I first created the MT4 Intraday Trade Manager one, so let's start with this one. This is how it looks on the chart. I developed this script as a solution of the deficiencies of MetaTrader 4 platform. So by using this script, really I can trade by clicking on a single button, use precise position sizing for each trade, and place stop loss order immediately with the trade together. I try to emphasize the importance of it. Many brokers only allow you to place a simple naked trade without stop loss on the chart. Once your trade is executed, you have to modify it and add the stop loss separately. It is unacceptable. For example, in case of news trading, I don't have that much time when the price spikes against me, so I had to solve this. The script operates with buttons. Buy, sell and close all speak for themselves, I believe. Buy order, sell order, place stop pending orders on the chart, and delete pending orders, delete them of course. We have stop loss to break even here. Look, I don't really use it much, as I find it being a double-edged sword obviously. It saves me from some losses, but it cuts me from winnings too. Because I trade with low risk-reward ratio, when it cuts me from a winning, it cuts me from a big winning, which is not good. Trailing stop, I'm not a big fan of trailing stop loss either. It ignores important levels on the chart, so it needs to be customized on each currency pair on each time frame to be effective. On the left hand side, the info panel shows important information about my account settings. I work on multiple accounts, so it's great to see the custom settings. It's not always the same. You can change the colors, the size, or even you can hide that panel completely for compact view. Usually we deal with the candlesticks on the right end of the chart in this area, so this layout is perfect. What I use it for, I trade traditional technical signals with Intraday Trade Manager like breakouts, price patterns, candlestick patterns and more. The other script that I use every day is the MT4 Scalp Trade Manager. I designed it for super fast and effective news trade and scalp trade execution, and it does the job very well. There you go, this is how it looks. Of course you can recognize the same areas like info panel and buttons. What really makes it interesting is those red buttons on the right hand side. If you click on them, you will see their status right here, so you know what you are doing. You can find detailed explanation on the operation, but quickly. Stance mode hides your trades from the chart, including your stop loss and profit target level, so your broker cannot see them. Even in hidden mode, it uses a hard stop loss for safety reason. If you have no connection problem, it will never be executed. The script monitors the price and executes your soft stop loss at the correct level. Anti-spike mode protects your trades from stop hunting. If the price only spikes in your stop loss level, it won't be taken out, it spares you unnecessary losses. Nitro mode is a fantastic tool that makes broker side trade execution faster by up to a second. I use these features every day. Please read the user manual for more details. I always use this script for news trading and scalping. That is what I designed it for. Okay, let's get through a couple of more questions you frequently ask for me. First of all, which currency pair or pairs I trade? Well, I trade the four majors of course, and I trade Aussie and Euro AUD as well for intraday trades. Scalping, I scalp on Euro and Aussie for good reasons. Low spread, high impact news and great volatility, what I'm looking for. The other question you usually ask me is which time frame or time frames I prefer or I use. It is tricky again because most of my trades are not time sensitive, which means that there is no specific time frame for them. They only depends on the price action. But if I need to answer it, I would say that I watch and analyze the chart on hourly chart, 4-hour chart and on daily chart to make my decisions. For scalping and news trading, I use lower time frames like 1 minute and 5 minutes charts only. Next topic is probably the most common question I get. You often ask me that if I use any technical indicators because you cannot see them on my screenshots. And yes, you're right, I don't show my setups on screenshots. I only show my trades and the results. Don't get me wrong, for analysis I use some basic indicators like MACD, CCI or Bollinger Band. For trading, no, I don't use any of them. I only use my own personal developed custom indicator. Look, I run my scripts and I trade on 8 to 10 windows. I like my chart look simple, neat and tidy. It is important to make them easy to interpret all the times, so I don't get lost. Next question. Yes, it is probably the most important question, and unfortunately lots of traders have no idea how to handle it or calculate it properly, so I'm happy to answer. It is how much I risk on a single trade. Do I have any special daily limit? First of all, it is an extensive topic that is hard to answer in 2 words. Your risk model that you use as a part of your trading strategy or trading system must match with your personal risk profile. If they don't match, you will never be confident with it and you won't be able to execute your strategy properly. Anyway, in my trades I use consistently very low risk, somewhere between 0.1% to a maximum of 2% risk per trade. It depends on the trade, the signal, the reliability, the time or time frame if you like. It depends on many things really. Risk management is an extensive topic and it plays an essential role in successful trading. Determining and calculating the risk for a specific trading strategy is much more complex than many traders think. That is called risk modeling. Anyway, alright, let's pick up one more question. Yes, trades. How many trades do I have? Briefly, I have a relatively high number of trades. I would say 25 to 30 trades per week. Don't forget that I work with multiple strategies on multiple currency pairs covering 24 hours from Monday to Friday. With low risk, it provides me with steady and smooth second balance, which I have found to be very important in terms of confident trading for a living. Well, I hope that you found this video useful and it gives you a better picture of what I'm doing and how I'm doing on the markets. Thank you for watching as always, and stay tuned with www.mt4trademanager.com.au.